So nice and red. Red is one of my favorite color, I gotta tell you, I will lie. I would not lie. But it reminds me of this. You know who resemble a girl, eh? This girl named Anna. She shot down in the savannah. She looking for a spanner. The time in a radiator. She don't want no time, she says she wants a 22. What do you want? What do you want? Hey! Don't get she looking for a 22 spanner. She looking for a 22 spanner. Radiator. Boss! Leaking with she looking for a 22 spanner. This girl is on a man. Shut down in the savannah. Looking for a spanner. She don't want no time, she says she wants a 22. What do you want? What do you want? Hey! She looking for a 22. She looking for 22. Radiator. Boss! Leaking with the sugar. She looking for music, Lord! Hey! Get it. She says she radiator, like it's on fire. Get out of the hole, and it's melting water. You know she don't want to burn. She don't want to burn. Alone in the savannah. What do you want? She wants the big spot. Everybody, she looking for a foreigner, you with the white hat. Yes, come. Yes, come. Both of you guys, come. Don't be shy. Pass right there. Come on, help the lady up. Outside. All right. Woo! So what's your name, madam? Irene. Irene. Well, Irene, which part of the world you from? Venezuela! Señorita mucho. And, well, hear what? In Trinidad, we have something called Chutney soup. Hitman, Hitsquad. Right? And the rhythm of the drum is going to play. And I want to see how a Venezuelan girl is whine. Could you do that? Get our rhythm. I think we should see. Yeah, come. You come. Come. Hey, this is how we do it in Trinidad. Come. Why are you feeling shy? So you know what? Anna, who name Anna? Anna, come Anna. The radiator, it boss. Leaking water, she feeling shy. So hear what? I want you to show that boy what you're missing on stage. You ready? I'll be whining from here. I'll be going down, eh?